Namaskaram. Shri Mahaganapatiye Namaha. Shri Gurupyo Namaha. Welcome to the Samarpanam on Mailpili. In today's clip, we shall chant, learn, and understand shlokas 5 to 13 of Narayaniyam Dashakam 8. Let us chant the shlokas first and then discuss the meaning. Dashakam 8, Shloka 5. दिनावसानेत सरोजयोनिः सुषुप्तिकामस्त्वयि सन्निलिल्ये जगन्ति च त्वजठरं समेयुः तदेदमेकार्णवमास विश्वम्. In this shloka, Bhattadri says that at the end of his day, Brahmadeva, feeling sleepy and wishing to sleep, becomes one with the Lord and lay merged with him. All the three worlds took refuge in the Lord's abdomen, and the universe became a huge ocean of water. At the end of Brahma's day, there was nothing left except the Lord himself, and the whole place turned into darkness, and the universe was a huge ocean. We have seen that in the Virat Purusha form of the Lord, his abdomen is described as a huge ocean, and during the great deluge, everything, including all of us, merge into this ocean and become one with the Lord. Dashakam 8, Sloka 6. Tavaiv veshe fanirajasheshe jalaikasheshe bhuvane smasheshe anandasandranubhavaswarupaha swayoganidra parimudritatma. When the entire universe was enveloped with water, you remained eternally joyful, being the soul of complete bliss. You rested on the king of serpents, the Adishesha, who is another manifestation of you. You, the Lord of the universe, lay resting in deep yogic slumber or yoga nidra on Adishesha and become deeply immersed in self-concentration, is what Bhattadri asks the Lord. In Srirangam, which is called as the Bhu Vaikuntham, we can see Lord Ranganatha lay in deep slumber or yogic nidra. During this yoga nidra, we do not see goddess Lakshmi at his lotus feet. In Srirangam also, goddess Lakshmi is not at his lotus feet but has a separate sanctorum. Dashakam 8, Sloka 7. Kalakya Shaktim Pralayavasane Prabodayetya Dishata Kiladhau Tvaya Prasuptam Parisupta Shakti Vrajena Tatra Kila Jivadamna. Here it is said that, O Lord of the universe, you are having a host of forces, including the Kala Shakti, or the force of time, merged in you, along with all the worlds, and the Prakriti or nature also lay merged in you. You then command the Kala Shakti or the force of time to wake you up after the end of the great deluge, and then you get indulged in your yogic slumber. Kala Shakti here can be understood as Devi or Parashakti, yet another manifestation of the universe. Dashakam 8, Sloka 8. Chatur yuganam cha sahasramevam tvayi prasupte punaradvitiye kalakya shaktihi pratama prabuddha prabodayatvam kila vishwanatha. In this shloka, Bhattadri says, Hey Lord of the universe, Vishwanatha, it is said that you remain in your yogic sleep for 1,000 fourfold yugas, or what is called as 1,000 Chatur yugas, with Prakriti or nature, and all the three worlds, along with Kala Shakti, lying merged in you. Krita, Treta, Dwapara, and Kali Yuga put together is one Chatur yuga. It is said that during the great deluge, only you remained in eternal bliss when everything else lay merged in you. At the end of the great deluge, as per your command, the Kala Shakti or the force of time wakes up first and then awakens you from your yogic sleep or yoga nidra. This depicts the relationship of Prakriti or nature that has with the Purusha or the Lord. Dashakam 8, Sloka 9. Vibhudhya cha tvam jalagarbhashayin vilokya lokan akilan pralinan teshveva sukshmatmataya nijantaha stiteshu vishveshu dadata drushtim. In this shloka, Bhattadri says, O Lord of the universe, who lay in yogic sleep in the middle of the ocean for 1,000 fourfold yugas or 1,000 chatur yugas, you wake up and realize that the entire universe lay merged in you. This is when you threw a collective glance at the worlds that lay merged inside you in a micro form. Dashakam 8, Shloka 10. Tatastvadiya dayinabhirandrad udanchitam kinchana divya padmam nileenanishesha padarthamala samsheparupam mukulayamanam. O Lord, from your navel all things that lay merged in a micro form then sprouted into form of an exotic divine lotus bud, which is so wonderful and cannot be described by words. This divine lotus bud is an embodiment of the essence of all the objects that were merged within you, is what Bhattadri says in this shloka. Dashakam 8, Shloka 11. Tade tadambo ruhakugmalam te kalebarato yapate prarudam bahi niritam paritaspuradbihi swadhama birdvantamalam nyakrintat. Here Bhattadri says that the bud of lotus flower which emerged from inside the water and from your body rose up from the waters, and its radiant brilliance drove away the darkness which was spread all around. Dashakam 8, Shloka 12. Samfullapatre nitaram vichitre tasmin bhavadviryadrute saroje sapadma janma vidira virasit swayam prabuddha kila vedarashihi. In that fully bloomed wonderful divine lotus which emerged and bloomed through your yogic power, Lord Brahma appeared and seen sitting with all the Vedas committed instantly to his memory. The Brahma who thus appeared is known as Padma Janma, or the one who is born from the lotus. Earlier we had seen that the Lord appeared in Satyalok as Brahma with the intention of commencing the activity of creation. But now this Padma Janma is the one who appears from the navel of the Lord on a beautiful and glowing lotus flower, along with all the Vedas. Dashakam 8, Shloka 13. Asmin paratman nanupadma kalpe tvamittramutta padma yonihi anantha bhuma mamarogarashim nirundhivata layavasa Vishnu. O Lord Vishnu, who art enshrined in Guruvayur, O great soul, O thou of eternal glory, who thus awakened Brahma in Padmakalpa, may thou remove all my afflictions and diseases, is what Bhattadri is seeking of the Lord. Since Lord Brahma appeared from a lotus flower, this kalpa is called as the Padmakalpam. Now let us once chant all the slokas we discussed today in our clip on Mailpili. Dashakam 8, Shloka 5. Dinavasane sarojayonihi sushuptikamastvai sannililye jaganti chatva jataram samiyuhu tadedame karnavamasa vishvam. Dashakam 8, Shloka 6. Tavai bhaveshe vanirajasheshe jalaikasheshe bhuvane smasheshe Ananda Sandranubhava Swarupaha Swayoga Nidra Parimudritatma. Dashakam 8, Shloka 7. Kalakya Shaktim Pralayavasane Prabodayetya Dishata Kiladho Tvaya Prasuptam Parisupta Shakti Rajena Tatra Kila Jivadamna. Dashakam 8, Shloka 8. Chatur yuganam cha sahasramevam tvayi prasupte punaradvitiye kalakya shaktihi pratama prabuddha प्रबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ। दशकम् 8 श्लोक 9 विबुध्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायीन् विलोक्य लोकान् अखिलान् प्रलीनान् तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात्मतया निजान्तः स्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददात दृष्टिम्। दशकम् 8 श्लोक 10 ततस्त्वदीया दयिनाभिरन्ध्राद् उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मं निलीननिशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षोपरूपं मुकुलायमानम्। दशकम् 8 श्लोक 11 तदेतदम्बोरुहकुग्मलं ते कलेबरातोयपते प्ररूढं बहिनिरीतिं परितः स्फुरद्भिः स्वधामभिर्ध्वान्तमलं न्यकृन्तत्। दशकम् 8 श्लोक 12 संफुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् स्वयं प्रबुद्धा किल वेदराशिः। दशकम् 8 श्लोक 13 अस्मिन् परात्मन्ननुपाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्थमुत्थापितपद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमामरोगराशीं निरुन्धिवातालयवास विष्णो। हरे कृष्ण। गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। श्री हरये नमः। श्री महापेरियवा शरणम्।